Amazon set up a page for me about a refrigerator I've been looking at. It's on sale. I'm trying to figure out now, is it gonna fit in here? Can I make it fit in there? Right now all I have is this little cooler. I need height. Can I get height out of this here? I need 43 and a half, and I have 42, I think. Where can I squeeze the rest from? Looks better if I'm over this way. Turn the box upside down so that I could get this out of here. In other words, this was down. That's to be ignored. Yeah, well. There it is, out of the box. This is the bottom half, refrigerator part. This is a shallow drawer, only goes back to there. Good enough. And this is the freezer. Holds a lot of stuff for a freezer, for an RV, which is what it needs to do. I gotta remove this temporarily. I should check this for leaks too, I guess, huh? Okay, taking stuff apart. Took that out the other day, got that out a little while ago, took the insulation off of the back wall. I gotta get this out of the way, these. I think I'll take this out. I'm not gonna use it in my lifetime, I don't think. Get this out and take this down and see how much more room I can squeeze out of here. Okay, this damn thing is exactly 43 and a half inches, the refrigerator that is. 43 and a half inches I need, and I don't have it at the moment. So, let's work on that. Okay, get some of this stuff out of here. This I'm gonna leave in for a backstop. In case the refrigerator bounces this way, it'll hit this instead of, well, actually it will hit that. Okay, move this wire. It was over here, now it's going this way. This is out of the way. As long as it stays well past this, we're good. Take this down and see how much room I can free up there. Okay, get this gas line out of the way and put a piece of foam across here. And I guess the other one I'm gonna put here too. Issues. At the moment I'm gonna put one layer of foam back in and this. It's all one piece, all glued together. But I'm gonna seal the holes off because I don't need ventilation now, and the only thing that's doing is letting the stink bugs in. Lots of them. Okay, I gotta cut this, get this piece off here and put it back in there, just for neatness. Okay, this is plugged, 1 inch, and this is filled. A little more insulation. Okay, try to put this back in, see what happens. Probably tomorrow. Alright, back to this for a little while. used a circular saw, laid it in here and cut this way as far as I could, and then that way as far as I could, which is to about there. Then I had to use a jigsaw. This side I went a little too far because I couldn't see the blade, but I did come all the way through this way. Then this piece got, well, I cut this. Also circular saw here to about here, then a jigsaw, and to about here and a jigsaw. Now I gotta figure out how to get this out neatly, because this is gonna be visible. Okay, gotta get this right first time. Okay, gaining on it. This is all cut out. This piece is made, that piece is made. I need to get something in here to reinforce this. It ain't gonna be much. And then make this thing fit in the bottom. I gotta clean up and put stuff away and deal with supper. Okay, update here on this refrigerator opening enlargement. This is all cut up and done. I just put this piece in just a couple minutes ago. I got 2 more screws. Yeah, I guess I might as well. Screws and construction adhesive. No fasteners going down this way because it'll probably split this. I need this to be intact for strength because I reduced this by 2 inches or so. Seems okay. And I made one of these. I switched to 1/2-inch plywood so that I could use 1 piece of wood. Screwed and glued. Should work. If not, I'll have to try to drill a hole here all the way through this and put a bolt, maybe 3, if I see any signs of weakness. So far I made everything with stuff that's on hand. I didn't have to run for nothing. See if I can get this in with 1 hand. And this will go up here. Let me put it in and show you. Okay, it's in enough so that I can still put glue, construction adhesive around the perimeter, and then drill the screw down. And let it cure 24 hours. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Okay, let's glue. Glue and screw. Okay, it's in as far as it's gonna get in. I wonder if this will be visible. I guess. Why did that happen? Okay, that's it. Tomorrow we lay the refrigerator in there and see how all that goes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 screws. And whatever's here, another 7. Should hold it up. Better hold it up. I guess I can put this together now. Got a lot of glare here lately, but it's in. I reused this from the other piece that was cut out. It fits in here good. I think I'm gonna leave it loose for now anyhow. Alright, tomorrow we lay a refrigerator in there and see what the truck happens. Okay, I guess this could be called a pantry. This and what else? Don't know. I replaced the chains and put 2 of them on. Not quite perfect, but what are you gonna do? It will work. Oh, I didn't measure this way enough. Yes, I did. Alright, whatever. Okay, this is ready for, I guess, recycling. Took these pieces of wood back out because I might need them someday down the road somewhere for something, somehow. So this goes. This I'll hang on to. Where was that? Oh, the shelf. This we put into storage, I guess. Can use it for a freezer. I gotta block this off. Somewhat in place. I had to raise the floor a few inches at a time until we got this up that I could just kind of like lift it and yuxed it in. Okay, so take a break and finish it up later. Kind of hard to get a good view of it. Something like that. Alright, just came out to look things over and it's leaning that way, I think. I think this was 1.5 inches. This is 2 inches. So what do I want to do about that? Make that go down, which I can. Well, I could, but it'd be really hard. Or make this come up with a shim. Let's stick something in there and see what happens. It ain't one thing, it's another, huh? Been working on this refrigerator most of the day. Looks like we're crooked again here. Make spacers for in here, each side, so it don't go this way. Make this piece here, which has little blocks on the other side to extend in to catch the leg of the refrigerator, so that it doesn't walk out this way. While running, traveling, bouncy roads and stuff, it'll stay put. In an accident, nothing's gonna keep that in place, especially full of food. Alright, let me see what's up with this sideways thing here again now. Alright, this top piece is in. Well, laid in. Gotta take that piece out and that one and stain them. And probably the molding I'd have to go buy for this and this. One little brain fade there, right there. You can't exactly see it all that well, which is good. Little brain fade on the circular saw. Other than that, it's good. It's pretty rigid. This is in temporary. 2 brackets in the back so it don't rock out and it can't shift. Alright, that's it for today. Alright, added these two brackets. So it don't shift around, it don't. I still got to take it out and get this plastic off of here. And do a few other odds and ends. That looks like it's a go. Okay, for today. Put this thing back together for temporary. Okay, I had the electrical panel out again so I could hardwire the dedicated ground for the new refrigerator. This thing here. Really hope that's necessary. Okay, time to eat lunch. Late. Again. I'm stuck for stuff here, so while I'm waiting, I wired it up to see how that's gonna go. Started it up. I can't hear it running because it's that damn quiet. Wow. Let's go see what it's drawing. Amperage wise, or watts wise. 57, 58. Holy cow, that's pretty much nothing for a refrigerator. I gotta go do some 60 watt. I wonder why it's fluctuating. Who knows? Keep an eye on it. Starting to get cool. A nice LED light right there, which cannot be serviced by the owner. We'll see. Okay, let's see how long it takes to cool off. Cool off. Let's see, we need this. Let's put this in the freezer. There's a fan that ain't doing nothing. Ooh. Wonder why not. 83 watts. Now the fan's running. I gotta read that book again. What little of it there is. Okay, it's been running about 5 minutes. You can't hear it at all from this side. I can feel it. Is the fan still going? What's the temperature? Fan still going down to 32 degrees. Whoa. Air. That's not the whole box. What's it down here? Probably still really warm. 62-ish. And the fan's running. Okay. Measured voltage at the terminals at the back of the fridge. 12.8. It's drawn 91 watts according to Mr. Eddie. Mr. Blue Eddie. Comes out to 7 amps, and I measured approximately 8 amps with my little handheld antique induction ammeter. Okay, doing good. What else can I do today? 82 degrees. Maybe I can try to put this in, or figure some way to put this in. Okay, this piece of 1-inch insulation foam Put a couple holes in it for finger grips. It does go in from this side of the motorhome wall. A little more insulation. Put that on and we're done for the day, I think. I think it's been on about half an hour now. No light up here. 18 degrees.
Wow. So we got a good freezer going in.
And this is 54. And a light. Okay, we are down to, in the dark here, what are we at? 10. And 42-ish, 43-ish. However, now that I had some time to think about this, Blue Eddy is not gonna cut it for powering the motorhome. I will only be able to run one thing at a time. This is drawing almost somewhere around 7 amps right now, which is fine by itself, but the water pump comes on, that's another 6, that's 13. This is gonna shut down. Get over that part of it, turn the furnace on, that draws, I think it was 5, plus this 7, 8-ish, that'll be 12, that'll blow it too. Lights will be not a problem, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get a battery in here. And what kind of a battery? We're down to 75-ish watts right now. Good. We're still over 60%, I guess that would be. Yeah, let's see what happens by the end of the night. Okay, the motorhome is warming up. So what's this doing? 20. A little on the warmish side. What is this? 30. Oh, that's what I want. 37-ish. Okay, gotta drag the refrigerator out to put the trim in the side. Took a while to figure out what to do, where to get something this high. Well, actually this high. This is as close as I can get. It should work. Gotta put that on top of that and move that out of the way. Okay, it's out. Do the trim. Alright, so how does that look with a refrigerator in it? Full size. Fuller size. So you're cooking and you need something, right there it is. You're working here and making something, and right here it is. Except this ain't latched. Okay, well. Okay, so this is what the place looks like.